Hey YouTube, this your girl Starberry. We're over here as everything is good. I'm on my way to pick up my kids. It is raining. These clouds look crazy. I'm all covered up because I'm freezing. Freezing. My head, my ears, my hands, everything. Look at the sky. Can I turn this? No, I can't turn it. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. How that looks. About to start pouring down rain. But anyway, I'm on my way to get my pesky kids. I just wanted to do a little video, a little short one. How everyone feeling today? I hope good. Because me, I have not been feeling well, you guys. Not at all. Not at all. I'm pregnant. Not feeling well. I keep getting headaches. Don't know where them coming from. But I'm not gonna bore y'all with my little life, because it's boring. But I hope everyone's doing good. Hope everyone's blessed. Hope everyone stay warm. Hope everyone's being good. So, I don't know, y'all. I don't know what to talk about. Oh my God, look at that sky, though. It's ridiculous. If y'all can see, it is crazy out here. That looked like a whole fucking storm. I can't even catch it. Where is it? Right here. It look darker than it look on this, on my phone. It's real dark. I'm trying to hurry up and go get them. I didn't feel like driving today. Just felt like walking. But now I don't feel like walking. I feel like driving. Whew. Okay. But anyways, whew. Oh my God. Bonded all over the place. I wish it wasn't raining, because I'm ready to go to do a mukbang or go get me some food to do a mukbang, but I don't even feel like it. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. My house is overwhelming. I got so much stuff in it. It's ridiculous. It's like, since I don't have my 2 stores anymore, it's super hard. Super hard. I have stuff all in my closet. I have a walk-in closet. I have stuff all in my closet. I have stuff all in my living room. My living room is my office and store. I have a storage that's away from my house that got nothing but selling stuff in it. I have stuff in my room. It's everywhere. I'm trying to get organized, y'all. But it's hard as one single parent with 3. But I'm getting it. I'm getting it. I'm getting there. So, oh goodness. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm here. About to get the kitties. About to put my camera down for a second. So if y'all see the sky or the top of the school, just excuse me for a minute. This is raining. Y'all tires on. It's not promising y'all in these soda cans. Y'all better slow it down. Whew. Whew. She's swinging that.
No, he got picked up early. Why is
shoestrings on tight. Honey, what's going on? It's wet out here. Tie your shoes. Well, you have to figure that out. You too big for that. But you doing TikTok, you need to be able to tie your shoes. That sounds like you, Anaya. You're not going to nowhere. Come on, y'all. Watch it, girl, and say, excuse me. Pick up the bag kids here.
No, I was just by having.
My phone dying. Yeah, I know I can't. I need my camera. What she was about to call you? Pull it down. I keep telling you about your forehead. Yeah, I'm walking and talking to my people. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Say hi, Starberry family.
Hi, Starberry family. Welcome back to our channel.
Yep, I'm getting them. Oh my God, can y'all see this? Look at this. I don't know if where y'all at is like that. Where we at is terrible. Whew. I don't know, y'all. What y'all think I should make today? I got lamb chops. I'm talking for me, not for y'all. I had oxtails this last night. I got crab legs. I got shrimp on a stick. Y'all can help me, and they can help me too. I'm talking to the subscribers, talking to my people.
Mom, tomorrow you can go and make ceviche.
Oh, I know. We can make that today.
Yeah, we can make it.
Oh, we can't, because we don't have lemons, limes.
Right.
All them limes.
Yeah, we need lemons so it can taste good.
No, we need limes.
Wait.
We walking too fast. I know my stomach is. What?
You only buy limes?
What you say, girl?
You only buy limes?
Yeah, but I ate them. Like last night, I ate them with my noodles.
Wow.
And I was eating them with like salt. Girl, that's pregnancy stuff. Keep telling y'all. I need lemons because the lemons taste wonderful with seasoned salt. I love it. I'm about to give me something. I'm probably getting me a lemon or something from the store.
Wow, Bob.
Oh, it's in here. Ooh, I'm about to die. My car. It was getting old too, so I threw some of them in the trash. Oh my God, I can't breathe. Sorry, y'all. I'm a bag under my eyes. I was praying and hoping it wasn't gonna rain, y'all, when I come get y'all.
She was like, why is the clouds dark?
And it's funny because at 3 o'clock when I got the bathtub, I said, it's gonna rain, watch. And then next thing you know, it rained.
And then she looked on her phone and she was like, no, I don't think it's gonna rain. And then we go out for PE and then it starts sprinkling.
Yeah.
And then that's when we went back in the class.
And the cats thought they were about to all come in the house, and that's not gonna happen. Because they want the door open and everything. And it's too cold to have a door open. Come on, let's go. Mind your business. Mind your business. You live longer. We mind your business. Stop your business. Don't worry about him, because you might end up being like that. Don't be all in people's business. When you don't pay attention in school, and you don't pay attention in life, period, you might end up homeless, like I always tell you. And right now, that's where I see y'all headed. And y'all little. That's ridiculous.
Hello.
Really, this one. Her ass is terrible in school. Don't even let me start with her, y'all. This one right here. This one. The little white one. Don't even let me start with her. Anyways, I keep telling them that's where they headed if they don't listen. They don't believe me. So I want y'all to comment down below and let them know that if they don't listen to nobody and they just do what they want to